Good morning, traders. Welcome to the XMLR day. And finally, guys, markets are perfect. I need to say again, what can I say? Fantastic markets. Usually, when there is some geopolitical situation, we really, this is the fact. We have lots of trading opportunities. And at this point, guys, I need to say that I'm very happy how things are going. 130% on the account, made a withdrawal, also almost again close to doubling the account. So I cannot complain. I always say, and all the setups that we traded yesterday came in profits. GBP dollar, Euro, New Zealand, uh, another GBP dollar. Everything is going as planned. Frank, I think you agree with me. First, good morning to Frank the Machine, and then, do you agree with me? Markets are really, really good now.
Wow, wow, yeah. I really, honestly, Nenad, I think it is the best trading months I had the whole year. I have to still verify this, of course, at the end of the month. Still 1 week to go.
Yes, I
But
think so.
it was really, really one of the best trading months. I'm close to 1,000 pips now profit for October. It is amazing. Actually, it was really running amazing in October. And it still continues. It still continues. I mean, unbelievable. I mean, if it goes further like this until to the end of the year, I have nothing against it. It's really great market conditions. Even the world is out of order.
Hmm.
Uh, but trading conditions, honestly speaking, you are totally right. They couldn't be better at the moment. We have volatility all over the places. We have clear movements. We have
Yes,
we hardly have some move interruptions. It was it was a blast so far, I have to say, in October.
total blast.
um, and I hope it's continuing like that. I mean, of course, there's coming also different times when we have to realize that the market's getting a little bit more difficult again.
Yes.
But at the moment, we have to enjoy the situation and 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 do whatever we can. What can I say differently? It's really excellent conditions at the moment, I have to
I
say.
I also agree with you. And what can I see here yesterday? One of the best trades, GBP dollar. We went with three setups, selling 21.60, 21.63, 21.25. This was the last trade that I did just before I went to sleep.
Mm.
Actually, a little bit, maybe around 8, 9 o'clock. But the thing is that it was a great setup. First, because everything is trend here. If we take a look at daily cloud, dark cloud cover, market breaking with level 5, so it continues down. Then 4 hour time frame, this was fantastic shorting opportunity. We did a shorting on Shemmer a couple of days ago here. Then the market made a cross. This cross also as a Shemmer we traded. Then we traded this close here of the pin bar, and those setups came in profits. Also, Euro New Zealand yesterday went up. Also, one of the best trades yesterday. 81.35 buying, 81.40. So we had two positions, and basically what happened, market went up exactly as we planned. So Euro New Zealand also very good setups. Total megatrend setups. I don't have
Yeah.
anything to say about this. Those were megatrend setups, and another GBP dollar. I also went long gold yesterday, I think, or it was day before. It was 110 pips profit. I moved my stop loss in profit 20. I think it was 110 points or something. One of the also best trades for gold this week. And as a result, Frank, this is it. 130.75% gain on this account after 2 months of trading and 189 trades. Uh,
Yeah, that says everything actually.
yes,
That's that's a statement, and it's underlining the great trading conditions we do have at this very moment.
definitely.
And from that perspective, it shows what is possible. It shows what is possible.
It
And
is.
and the good,
Traders,
yeah.
Yeah, traders usually think they might say, yeah, it's gambling. No, because it's gambling. Gambling would be if you have 10 trades and you have such profits. But when you make 189 trades, all right, it's a very small risk trading, and you actually make profits by compounding the account. So you are adding to profits, and then you risk from profits. You don't risk from your deposit. So that is how you do it, and I think that everything is written here. So guys, whoever is struggling with something, where open your account with XM connected to my FX book, and you will be able to analyze everything. Of course, don't do it with demo account. Only do with real funded accounts. All right. So I also made a withdrawal. So basically, what I did was I made a withdrawal to just
Hmm.
to secure my, you know, risk. So when I doubled the account, I made a withdrawal as deposit. So I'm now risk free, and I will try to double it again.
Yeah, but this is exactly like this is a very valid method. We were talking often about it already. You know,
Yes, very valid method.
taking an, and then as well, you know, it is how to say this. You know, I what I'm often doing with one of with one of my trading strategies as well. I take a small amount of money, like 500 euro, $500, putting it the strategy on it, and this strategy is a high risk strategy, but it anyway has nothing to do with gambling. You know, it is just taking a risk of 3.5% each position, and it's running. If I'm winning, I'm winning big, and if I'm losing kind of small. The hit
Mm-hmm.
rate itself is not excellent. It's really not excellent. I'm going here really in phases when we have volatility like right now. Then I'm doing comparably many winners
Mm-hmm.
compared to the losers, but I have to be careful if the market shifts into sideward positions, because of course then this kind of strategy doesn't work anymore. And then it also might be, of course, that the account goes very fast to the ground. But in times of like when I'm going with this kind of risk in there, it takes me maybe, I don't know, 3 4 winners in a row, and the account is already doubled, because the profit is so exponentially bigger than the loss. I'm going here with a 7-to-1 risk reward, and this is only possible in very volatile times when you have really clear directions. So and in this moment, it's really it's fantastic, like right now. And then exactly happens what you say. You're doubling the account, taking your profits off. You let it run further. If you do it again, you take another off, and so on and so on. And at one point of time, if I miss to switch off the strategy, if I don't guess the markets right when they go to the side, then it can also happen that the base account is gone. But if I took already 3 4 times profit from this, it's not a problem at all, actually.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
and this is really a very very valid and fair strategy, and has nothing to do with gambling, honestly. This is
Definitely, definitely. This is what I'm saying. I mean, everything is like good, accurate system, money management, trading psychology. I want to say welcome to William from YouTube, uh, asking any signal. Signals are given every single time during my trading sessions, and I trade always have some trades. At this point, we still haven't scanned the market. If I notice the opportunity during this session, then of course you will see what I trade. Um, so no problem about it. Every single day I have between 2 and 6 trades. I have in between 1 and 3 sessions during the day, and during the sessions I always try to make a new trade. So don't worry about it. Just come here, learn and enjoy. Open the XM account and trade our trades. If you want, follow us freely. Don't be shy to ask any questions what is not clear, and ask for results if you want it.
yeah.
Everything is transparent.
And having
So everyone, guys, if someone is doubting, ask them to come here and ask for our results. Okay, the
ha,
results, testimonials, uh, trading account statement, not PDF, not PDF, no. my FX book or clear account statement directly from the source. So that's the only way you can check if someone is speaking the truth, is good, or it's actually a marketeer. Don't believe in those telltales to promise you I don't know what, and then when you ask for a statement, they hide. All right.
And having that said, William, xmglobal.com is our home base. There you find us every time, actually, every day from 8 a.m. Central European time till 5 p.m. Central European time. And yeah, I think 8 sessions a day or 9 sessions a day even. And
Yes.
beginner room, advanced room, whatever you want, strategies, beginner room sessions, and whatever you wish, and signals, trading ideas, signals. Yeah. So
And
welcome.
learning how to trade, learning the
Yeah,
best trading methods, you know.
absolutely, absolutely. And Nenad is here at showing a lot of the megatrend system. Me, for example, I'm showing a lot of the sentiment trading. I did just the hour before when we are looking into the traders' behavior, how traders are positioning themselves and finding then profitable situations in the sentiment arena, let me say that way. So if, for example, 90% are selling, we are looking for buying, and vice versa. It's a counter sentiment strategy. And yeah, works out pretty nicely. Just visit us over at xmglobal.com, and you will be able to follow us actually daily in our sessions. Good.
Yeah, exactly. Aubrey, Prajwal, Alba, Sri Lanka, Mamba. Good morning, guys. Uh, Good morning, and hello to Sri Lanka. Yes, Mamba. Good morning, everyone. And thank you for your insight on GBP dollar yesterday. I killed it. I'm just a couple of pips away from TP now. Yeah,
Yes.
GBP dollar, fantastic setup. What can I say? Uh, Clear megatrend, clear, clear, clear. You cannot have a better signal than that because it didn't make any pullback. It just where we entered straight down, bang.
Yeah.
But you know, it happens sometimes. Bernardo, hello guys. Which is the future of the Nasdaq? You think what will happen to Nasdaq? Let's see. I don't trade particularly indices, to be honest. Forex, gold, crypto for me. Indices, I just analyze it. I don't put any trades there, guys. For me, consistency is important. But of course, because of your question, I can give you my opinion. Maybe Frank trades Nasdaq uh, much more than me. As I said, I traded it years ago, but I stopped because I don't know. For me, Forex is the king of the markets. Here, guys, this is bearish, clearly bearish. For me, there is no doubt that the market goes down, but it's close to support, which is 14,074. So you will see if there is any continuation. Selling on pullbacks is recommended here. This is what I see. What do you think, Frank?
Yeah, absolutely. This is going on it's following now the short trend. The short trend we have already since couple of days actually. And the latest short signal we took was at around 15,000, and what is it here? Let me quickly check that one. It was 15,080 was the latest short signal I realized here. I took profit already down at a support at 14,500. We were breaking the support yesterday, and we were opening this morning in European session with a gap. I would not give this too much like weight at this very moment with the European session, but definitely we see another leg to the downside. In my opinion, we might be dropping. We might come close to an end of this drop actually. And what Nenad says, the pullback, selling the rallies. I think we are not far away from a rally, honestly speaking, because the extension, if I'm looking at the price, how the price was developing in the last couple of months, then the extension of the move to the downside is completed slowly. And I could imagine that in the afternoon when American markets are coming in, they might wonder what kind of, like inexpensive opportunities they have to buy it, so that we could maybe see really like a potential to get here in a retracement. And when I see it, okay, from Philippines, I see Vivian is coming from Philippines. That's great. Yeah, so I believe that we can come here into a retracement situation. But at the moment, there's nothing else to say that we are in a short trend in this market. But it cannot be excluded that several days of a rally is starting at one point of time. And I'm still somehow believing in the year-end momentum that might be still setting in, maybe at the beginning of November.